Meet the Inca Tern nature's most That iconic white mustache isn't just for show. It's an evolutionary dating tool. Watch it. Strut those whiskers quivering with every move. Each filoplume feather amplifying its charm signal. Science says, longer staches mean better parasite. Resistenza, billboard for healthy genes. Found only off Peru and Chile's coasts. Their handlebars hide UV patterns invisible to humans. Listen to that cat-like mew. It's a dating call. But climate change is shrinking these mustachioed wonders' habitats. This natural fashion statement needs our protection.